In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and export in Make.com. Whether you're looking to back up your work or share it with a colleague, understanding how to effectively manage your scenarios is crucial. Let's dive right in and ensure that you're capturing everything you need with confidence. To get started, first, open up your Make.com dashboard. From here, locate the tab labeled Scenarios. It's the primary space where all your workflow creations are stored. Select the particular scenario that you wish to export. Opening this scenario transports you into the Scenario Editor, a familiar workspace that gives you a bird's-eye view of your project's structure and details. While you're inside the Scenario Editor, direct your attention towards the top right or bottom controls area of the page. Here, you'll find a small icon depicted as 3 dots, sometimes known as an ellipsis. Go ahead and click on this symbol to reveal a menu with some options that may sound familiar. This is your options menu where you have choices like Export Blueprint, Import Blueprint, and Clone. But today, our focus is specifically on exporting your blueprint. After clicking the 3 dots, select Export Blueprint from the drop-down menu that appears. This action will initiate a download of a file onto your computer. The file you receive should be named something along the lines of myscenario.blueprint.json. Keep in mind that while this file is incredibly comprehensive, containing various essential components of your scenario such as modules, filters, routers, mappings, logic, and settings, it does not include sensitive data. Key details like API keys, account passwords, and most private credentials are intentionally excluded to ensure your data security remains intact. Now let's talk about saving this important JSON file. You must decide where best to store or back up this blueprint. You might choose to save it directly onto your PC for easy access, or perhaps utilize cloud storage solutions like Google Drive or Dropbox. Alternatively, some people prefer to secure their blueprints on platforms like GitHub or an external backup drive, which offers additional peace of mind. Many users find blueprints to be invaluable as backups, which proves especially helpful in ensuring work continuity and preventing data loss. By following these steps, you've not only learned how to export your scenario efficiently, but also equipped yourself with a robust strategy for safeguarding your invaluable work. So there you have it, a straightforward and secure method for exporting your scenarios in Make.com. With this newfound knowledge, you're well on your way to managing your workflows with greater confidence and security. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. And as always, feel free to revisit the steps whenever you need a refresher or want to perform an import operation. Thank you for joining us, and happy automating!